Hello everyone, today I will discuss about AWS CLI configurations. Okay, and I will show you initially just let's start. Okay, because it's a very short video, right? So how to install? If you are going to install it's a Linux, just need to follow this step by step and just set the LIs, okay, for AWS. If you are going to Windows, so just it is not Windows, it is Linux. This is Windows install and update. Okay, just MSI exec, MSI utility, just need to just rerun this is same command and it will automatically install. Okay, so let's go for, so I have already done that. So AWS -- version, it's command, right? So first of all I have already configured like AWS CONFIGURE. This is the command basically used to configure your AWS CLI access key and secret key. So let's run. Okay, so this is already configured, right? Access key, AWS secret key. Okay, I do not want any change. Okay, just enter. So this is coming because I had my cursor is same. Okay, that's why it's coming in single line. Okay, so just need to space whenever you have entered AWS configure and then space. Okay, so this is commit again. Okay, just I want to show you, right? AWS STS, like to whom I am going to authenticate my access key and secret key. So it will give the detailed, I mean these access key and secret key to belong to whom, right? Which identity. Okay, so sorry guys, so this is the ARN in AWS. This is ARN and is it a row? No, this is the user. Okay, just see this, it's a PyCharm user. Okay, so I have already configured PyCharm user, but it is a default because I have configured AWS configure. But if you want to configure multiples, right? So how? AWS configure -- profile. Okay, testing. Okay, testing profile. Now credential will save under testing profile. Okay, just enter. And he is asking me access key and secret key, so I'm just going to enter this access key and secret key. Okay, paste. So by default and by based on the profile, right? So you can understand both, right? Paste. US-East-1, this is the region. Okay, default region. So AWS STS get caller identity. So basically your access key and secret key configuration is done using profile, using default. Okay, it is done. Now I'm showing you some more commands. Okay, but still it is coming PyCharm. Basically I have coming this user, so it is not, it is coming same output earlier one. Basically I have coming you, but it is configured by the profile. So how to access? Get caller identity -- profile. What the profile name? Testing. This is the profile name I have given, right? Okay, just need to now it gave you this. It will authenticate this access key and to whom this access key to belong. This is also a user. Okay, and it's S3 IAM user. So where it is S3 IAM user, I have to let me show you S3 IAM user. Okay, so this is the user, right? S3 IAM user. Okay, and this is the 7W identity, access key, sorry. So this is the 7W where it is like, okay, this is enter. No, I have entered this key 7W. Okay, so this is the, okay, if you want to run any AWS S3 LS, okay, but if you can do this, so it is by default profile. Okay, this is, but if you want to do testing -- profile, testing account is different. Okay, hope you got it. Testing AWS account is different, so it has a only one key. Hope you got it till now. Okay, so let me show you where it is saved. Usually where, if you are using in Linux testing user, so it will show home testing inside your home directory .aws, and same is in the inside the Windows, right? AWS, okay, ls. I'm just showing you config, okay, how it will save. If you haven't entered anything, like profile, these while configure AWS configure, if you do not want to give profile, so it will default. So this is default. If you will, and this is default underscore region. Inside the default profile we do have a risk. If you want to give any specific profile, so this is profile testing and region you have to win. And where is access key and secret key? Going to credential. So this is the default profile access key secret key. This is like testing profile access key secret key, and both are belong to the different account. How can I know that both are belong to a different account? So AWS STS get caller and then TT. Which access key call this? Okay, so this is the account ID. Okay, now I'm using testing, same command, just need to put hyphen profile testing. If you are experienced, so just go, how to use assume role setting and all these things. I have a one terraform state part 2. Terraform state is a title. I think I had some more point, but part 2, so you can see how to use a user can assume a role, right? I have explained it very well, who have little bit experience over the AWS class. So this is different account. Okay, hope you got it. And what is the pending now? List profiles. Okay. Okay, first of all, AWS configure, AWS configure list. So what would be output? This is giving your default profile configuration, but you want a list profile. The list profiles consider default, and if you have any additional, so we do have a 2 profile, default and testing. So if you directly come, so default will come. Okay, this is the default setting. Okay, there are 2. And if you want to do some automation key, right, so how to enter access key? Basically I'm just going to configure AWS configure, but if you would like to configure some automation script type, right, so let me just do one thing, right? Just go for this solution. So if you want to do profile prod, okay, I'm just, this is the syntax, right, to if you have any, so I just need to create prod. Okay, but AWS access key ID is, this need to be written same type. Okay, this is same. So access key ID I just need to enter here, right? Okay, I just need to enter this is the same, right? But I will show you. This is, I will show you this. So I have entered. Okay, this is actually the command. Okay, if you want to some automation and configure the profile. Okay, so I have entered access key and secret key. Profile will be prod. Okay, let me see. See, okay, no, this is like AWS configure profile prod, right? I will show you. Basically I have configured testing, no? So I will show you these things. Okay, so AWS configure list hyphen profile. So did you see 3 profiles is coming, right? Prod is created, and prod testing access key and secret key is same, right? Okay, so here it's already credential. Sorry for a moment, right? Card credential. This is testing, just need to see testing 7W, and prod it is 7W. Basically secret key it is not added at all. Okay, let me see once again. I think I had some missed. Okay, that's why I'm telling you I had what I have missed. Did you got it, man? I missed profile hyphen profile. This is prod by mistake. This is mistake, but I had added profile, right? Now it is added profile, but if I am not added, so I have added this, right? So it will I mean to say override this access key. Okay, default will not work so far. Okay, somehow. Okay, now need to run list profile prod AWS S3 ls S3 S5 hyphen profile. One is testing and prod key is same, right? So output will come same. Okay, and then I just need to access key and secret key is same, so output will come same. Okay, but because I have override this key now somehow, so if I'm going to do S3, the default will not work because it has an error. Okay, so secret key is not fine. Okay, I think I have explained what is pending from my end, right? Yes, set list profile list SSO. I think single sign on. I think I will create later on this video of SSO. Okay, I think I have explained profiles, configurations. I have explained SAT, script type if you want to do add an automation, so you can do that, and AWS configure profile list, how to see how to run the commands. If you like the videos, please comment and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.